Hi, this is John with WTI, and if you care about audio quality and vocal clarity just like me, these Audio-Technica's headphones are a great deal and option for you. Well, I'm constantly editing or doing work on my computer, and when it comes to having some clear vocals, some really good instrument sounding, these headphones are great to deal with them. So these are comfortable and they're adjustable. So most of the headphones, I always have a problem with them because the fit in my ears will be not comfortable at all. But these ones feel like pillows. The ear pads in the bottom, they're great, adjustable, and it feels like you're having two pillows in each side of your ears. So when it comes to having the sound clarity and each instrument will play perfectly in this, guys, these are great. They work with Bluetooth, they work with their own editing software, with the cable cords, and you can do almost everything with this. You can even do podcasts, editing audio in this, guys, here. So these are great. This was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.